Small machines, big machines, simple or complex. Designing great machines that are safe, reliable, high quality, and efficient. That's why you are here. Machine design isn't just your job, it's your passion. But great machine design isn't easy. It never has been. Yet today, the process just seems more complicated. More stakeholders, dispersed teams, tighter budgets, and a relentless demand from customers to be more innovative, to be faster, to consider new materials, new manufacturing processes, and to get from concept to product faster and cheaper than ever before. Which is why now is the time to consider Autodesk as your technology partner. We don't just help you design great machines, we help you manage your design development processes end to end. Automate manual and repetitive tasks, clearing your path of busy work and freeing up your time for innovation. Simplify team collaboration and easily share milestones with customers and colleagues, all while having an instant, real-time view into your project data, giving you the insights to improve, predict, and manage unforeseen events and disruptions without compromising the quality of your work. Our powerful software tools are optimized for machine design. Robust component libraries and toolsets assist you in all aspects of mechanical and electrical workflows. Built-in FEA and tolerance analysis, iLogic configuration and automation, generative design, and the performance to handle your largest data sets. When you're delivering for your customers, you believe that good design and good engineering can solve any problem. At Autodesk, so do we.